Hi, welcome to ELD. If you guys remember, the book that we've been reading, Click Clack Moo by Doreen Cronin, is all about how these cows learned how to type, and they wrote a letter to Farmer Brown. So we're going to look at the letter, and we're going to talk about everything you need to make a letter. And then maybe you could write a letter too, okay? So there's three main parts to a letter that I want to show you about. Eventually, we're going to talk about the date, but we're not going to worry about the date yet. Okay, so usually the date would go up here. What is today's date? We haven't done calendar yet, so, or yes, we did. Think. Is today the 20th? The 19th, right? I think today is May 19th, but I can't even tell anymore. Ooh, it's all clogged up in my brain. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and write May 19th, 2020. But you don't have to do that because we haven't even talked about it yet. Hopefully it's not too hard to see. The first part of a letter is where you write dear and then whoever you're writing to. So I wrote dear, and then I'm going to write dear kindergarteners. And then after you write who you're writing it to, you finish with this funny thing called a comma, which looks like a period, which stops a sentence, but has a tail on it. So this says, Dear Kindergarteners. And then after that, we write our message. So what I want to say to my kindergarteners is, Dear Kindergarteners, I miss you. I go down a line, and then I write my message out. I miss you. That's my message. And then the last part of a letter, so I'm going to put 1, 2, and then at the bottom is where you sign your name to tell them who it's from. So I have Dear Kindergarteners. That's who my letter is to. My message, I miss you. And then I could write from, I could write love, I could write sincerely, I could write con cariño, I could write yours truly. We got a lot of options. I'm just going to write love because I love you guys. Love. And then I do another one of those funny periods with the tail, one of those commas. So that says love. And then I write my name. Miss Steiner. So this is a short video because I'm just showing you the parts to a letter, and then maybe you could practice writing a letter. So it says, Dear Kindergarteners, that's step 1. Write dear and then whoever you're writing to. So dear mom, or dear abuela, or dear garbage man, or dear mailman, or dear Spider-Man. Whoever you want. Whoever it's to. Then number 2, you write your message. I wrote, I miss you. You could write, I don't actually like green beans. Or you could say, thank you for taking our garbage. You can say whatever you want. And then step number 3 is to sign off. So you could say goodbye, or from, or love. I chose love. And then another one of those funny guys with the tail. And then your name, okay? So if you want this afternoon, practice writing a letter to somebody, okay? Have fun, and I will see you tomorrow.